Money.
What?
Money.
Who gave you that one?
Martin. Is not how you are? You do. You do.
You tear. You open, you tear, so that you see what's inside.
It's too hard.
It's too hard.
Yeah.
You can do it. Or if you can reach in now. What's inside? Oh, you get now. You get what's inside. And then you show me. What's that?
Money.
What?
Money.
Are you sure it's money?
Yeah.
How much is that?
One.
One. You show me.
There.
Show me. Oh, how much is that?
One.
What's the picture?
This small?
What?
This small?
No, that's too big na.
But now am I with this?
How much is the money? That one, how much is?
9.
What?
9.
9?
Yeah.
No, what's that? Oh, what number is that? What?
3 fell.
Huh?
3 fell.
Okay.
My Emma, haha.
It's there.